Hey guys, how is everybody doing today? I hope good. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and I do beauty videos. Sometimes I do other things, but most things are cost effective that I do, like this here Ipsy bag. So that side had my address on it, like this here Ipsy bag. Okay, so I'm gonna do this Ipsy unbagging, and hold on a second. So once again, Ipsy has played me like a fool. They sent me this. It's the 29th right now, and I used to get my Ipsies in the middle of the month, and now I'm getting it towards the end, which really sucks, but it's nonetheless, here we are. This is the front of the Ipsy March bag. Let's see what I got. I'm pretty sure that this was one of my add-ons. It is a Maelle creamy brilliant tinted lipstick, and I'm gonna open it. I should have pre-opened all of this stuff, but I want to give you guys a genuine reaction, so that's why I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Do you guys see that difference? Like, the top lip has it and then the bottom lip doesn't. That's super pretty. It just looks like a little bit ashy, but this is like my lips but perfected on the top. Dang, those look juicy. Okay, I like that, and this is the shade Nude. Okay, and it looks like just like that. So pretty basic nude color, and once again, it's from the brand Maelle. Let's see what I got. So I got this highlighter, and it is, okay, I got this highlighter, and it is a Sophia and Mabelle Wet Glow in the shade Champagne Toast. So I like a wet glow. So let's see how this looks. Oh, the packaging is super cute. Okay, it's like a clear but pink, kind of like the new Kat Von D Good Apple foundation. So let's just go. Ooh, it has an interesting like squishy kind of texture, probably like the ColourPop ones. This has an awkward smell to it. I don't know. Let's see. Nice, nice, very wet looking. Okay, has a good sheen to it. In person, it's very radiant, and it goes really well with my skin tone, so I really like it. But yeah, that again from the brand Sophia and Mabelle. This is the KVD Vegan Beauty Lock-It Setting Powder. Since I already have makeup on, I can't test it or demo it for you guys right now, but I'll be sure and test it tomorrow and then add a clip in of me like testing it. Okay, hey lovelies, so I did have an opportunity to try the KVD Vegan Beauty setting powder. It's okay. I mean, I'm not a super fan of setting powder. I normally don't set my whole face, probably just my jawline and then the sides of my nose. It doesn't feel any different or any better than my Wet n Wild Photo Focus, to be honest. So, yeah. And I got the shade Translucent. Okay. Ooh, I like this packaging. Definitely does feel luxe. Okay, so this is from the brand St. Luxe Beauty in Cranberry Bliss, and this is a blush. And I actually don't have any blush on right now. I just have on Tinted Moisturizer. So we can go ahead and try this bad boy out right now. Okay, so I thought that this was going to be the same as this, but it's not. It just has a really nice box. So once again, this is the shade Cranberry Bliss, and this is what Cranberry Bliss looks like. Okay, it has a typical blush kind of feel. That's the shade Cranberry Bliss Concentrated. And I am going to use just a face Moda brush really quickly. Whew. Okay, that was serious. Okay, well, oh my goodness. Okay, let me see if I can take, maybe it doesn't blend very well on Tinted Moisturizer. I don't know. Or maybe I put way too much, but let me go in with a more delicate kind of hand. That's actually pretty decent. It looks like how my cheeks would look if I, you know, was a little flushed. So that's a nice color for me, actually. So that's shade Cranberry Bliss, guys. Dos más tingies. Okay, guys, so I'm probably going to butcher this, okay? So don't come after me. So this is the, oh, see if you can get into it. So this is the Hanalei company Kabuki lip balm in Island Mint. And let's see. I don't necessarily care for whenever they send me just chapstick, because I'm fully capable of just getting my own chapstick, and most of the time I don't really like it. But let's see. It smells minty. Let me see. I'm gonna roll it up. Super minty smelling. And then it feels nourishing, very slick. And it probably is a chapstick. I'm just loving this, so I don't really want to mess it up. But yay, I have a new chapstick, I guess. And then this right here is the Ciate London Fruit Burst Hydrating Lip Oil and Lychees and Acai Burst. So, I have 3 lip products, so good thing I have an extra pair of lips back there. But, and I'm just going to put this on the my knuckle right here, so you can guys see how just like super shiny that is. That is pretty shiny. Let me see. It smells really good. Like these things need to look any more juicy. But oh my goodness, I look like a blow up doll. What did I do? I didn't even like overline or anything. I don't know what happened. But I like it. Yeah, all of this stuff. So the Ciate London, that retailed for $16. I'm sorry, I forgot to go through this like when I was doing it. So this retails for $16 for the full size. The chapstick, it retails for $6. A little high for a chapstick. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I think it was like $3 for the little fun size of this. So like if you can find it and they still have it on the Ipsy website, I would suggest going ahead and getting it, because I feel like you probably get a good amount. That's $3 worth. Since this is like so cute, I would definitely buy it again if I saw it on their website. The KVD stuff, the translucent powder, $31 for a full size. The St. Luxe blush, that retails for $18. The highlight, that retails for $16. And that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you maybe found some good suggestions or anything like that. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the post bell notification, and I will see you next time, okay? Bye.